Hello lovely student, welcome to Silence Classes e-learning platform. Let's continue with the chapter rational number, okay, chapter number 8 of class 7th. Okay, this is the introduction part of the video. Over here I will explain each and everything related to this particular chapter in the easiest manner possible. So please be with me, okay. If you are watching my video first time, I'm your math teacher. Over here I'll teach you each and everything related to your chapter. Okay, first of all I'll introduce the chapter, then we will do some examples and then the exercises. Okay, from class 6 to class 10th you will get the complete videos related to maths in this particular. So let's continue with the chapter. Rational number. Rational numbers. What are rational numbers? Okay, rational numbers are those numbers which are in the form of p upon q. Okay, means rational numbers are in the form of p upon q, means in this particular form. Okay, so and q is not equals to 0. Okay, so I'll write it down the definition. Okay, rational numbers are numbers which are in the form of p upon q, where q is not equals to 0. Okay, where q is not equals to 0. Okay, so this is the rational number. Okay, I hope so you guys understood what the rational number is. Means if I will write it down 2 upon 4, we can say it is a rational number. Okay, if I will do it in the standard form, means 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, means 1 upon 2 is the standard form of this particular rational numbers. Okay, so now let's move numerator and denominator. Okay, in the rational numbers there are two things, that 2 upon 4 I have written. Okay, once I will do it in the standard form, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 upon 2. Okay, so 1 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator. Okay, I hope understood what is the numerator and what is the denominator. Okay, means if I will write it down p upon q, so you will get to know that p is a numerator and q is the denominator. Okay, so positive and the negative rational numbers. Now let's talk about what is exactly negative and positive rational numbers are. Okay, consider the rational numbers p upon q. Both the numerator and the denominator of these numbers are positive integers. Means this is the definition. Now I'll explain where p upon q is always positive. Where always positive means it is written as 2 upon 3, 6 upon 9, 8 upon 7. Okay, like this. Okay, such types of rational numbers, these types of rational numbers are known as positive rational numbers. What are negative rational numbers? Negative rational numbers are those numbers in which numerator is in minus, means negative sign is there with the numerator. Okay, not with the denominator. Okay, it is with the numerator, means minus 4 upon 5, minus 6 upon 9. So these are known as negative rational numbers. Okay, now I'll read out the definition. Consider the rational numbers minus p upon q is negative integers where the denominator is positive integers. Okay, where the rational number is called the minus p. Rational of minus p upon q is a negative integer where as the denominator is a positive integers. You can check it out. The base is positive. Okay, denominator is positive. Okay, such type of rational numbers are known as negative rational numbers. Okay, if you understood each and everything over here, okay, so you will not face any problem, okay, while doing the questions. Okay, what are rationals on the number line? Means how we will represent the rational numbers on the number line. Rational numbers on the number lines means there is a number line, and hope so you guys know that 0 is here, 1 2 3 4, all the positive numbers are on the right hand side and all the negative numbers are on the left hand side. Okay, like this. Okay, now if I have to place 2 upon 5, okay, over here in the number line, what we have to do? Okay, first of all, what we have to do, we have to divide it. Okay, we have to divide 2 by 5 I'll put 0.0, okay, and it will come 5 4s are 20, okay, so 0.4, 0.4, okay, so it will become 0.4, means now it is showing that the number is between 0 and 1, the number is between 0 and 1, okay, 0.4 is the number is between 0 and 1. Now what we have to do, we have to, first of all, I'll write it down 1 over here. We have to make some gap to make some lines, so I will put down 1 over here, because we know that 0.4 is over here between 0 and 1, okay, means 2 upon 5 is over here, okay. So what we have to write it down, first of all we have to divide from 0 to 1, we have to divide 5 lines, we have to draw 4 lines including 5 lines we have to draw, 1 2 3 4 and 1 5, okay. So we have to write it down 1 upon 5, okay, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 4 upon 5, and this one is 5 upon 5. 5 upon 5 is 1, and 1 is already written over here, okay. That's why I have divided 4 lines I have drawn between 0 and 1, okay. You have to draw 4 lines. If there is 5, if there is denominator is 4, we have to draw, okay, one line less, okay. So now we come to know that 2.5 is over here, so we will mark 2.5 over here, okay. This is how we will represent the rational numbers in the number line. I hope so you guys understood that how you have to draw rational numbers, show the rational numbers on the number lines, okay. More questions we will do in the exercises or while doing the examples, okay. Now rational numbers is a standard form. What is the standard form exactly? Standard form means the numbers are smallest, the fraction are in the smallest form, okay. The denominator of these rational numbers are positive integers, and 1 is the only common factors between the numerator and the denominator, okay. Why? Because if I will write it down 20 upon 24, okay, this is rational number, but it is not in the standard form, okay, because we can divide these numbers. So first of all we have to put these numbers in the standard form. 2 1s are 2 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, and 2 6s are 12. Now 5 and 6 is the standard form of this particular numbers, of these numbers, okay, because now it is written over there 1 is the only common factors between the numerator and denominator, and over here you can check it out that 1 is the only numbers, okay, that is factors of 5 and 6, okay. So this is written over here. I have explained you each and everything that it should be in the smallest form, okay, and only 1 is the factor of these numbers, okay. Now further, the negative sign occurs only in the numerator, okay. The numerator is only negative. Such rational numbers are called in the standard form. These are known as standard form. Means if the minus sign is there, it should be only on the numerator, means minus 5 upon 6, minus 7 upon 8, okay, minus 5 upon 7, you can say. All these are in the standard form where factors are only 1, okay. 1 can only divide 5 and 1 can only divide 7, okay. So I hope so you guys understood what is the exactly standard form is, okay. Rational numbers between two rational numbers means if two rational numbers are given to us and if they are asking find out some more rational numbers between them, so what we have to do, okay. The rational numbers between the two rational numbers means we know that two rational numbers are given to us, okay. Let's say 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5 is given to us, okay, and they are asking find 3 rational numbers between them, okay. Means we have to find it out the 3 rational numbers between them, okay. So what we have to do, first of all we have to check it out whether the denominators are same or not. If the denominator are not same, first of all we have to make the denominator equal, okay. So we can multiply, okay, 3 and 5, okay, means 2 upon 3 we can take and we can multiply it by 5, sorry, we can multiply it by 5. 5 2 is 10 and 5 3 is 15, and we can take 4 upon 5 and we can multiply it by 3. 4 3 is 12 and 3 5 is 15. Now you can check it out that the denominators are equal. Okay, denominators are equal. If we will do it in the, or we will convert it in the standard form, we will get the same value. Okay, so it doesn't matter that we can write it down these numbers in this particular manner. Okay, so 10 upon 15 and 12 upon 15. Okay, now you can check it out that we cannot find it out three rational numbers between them. Okay, so what we can do, we can multiply these numbers by 3. So we will put 10 upon 15 multiplied by 3, 3 times 30 and 3 45. Now 12 upon 15 multiplied by 3 upon 3. Okay, so 3 2 just 6, 3 1 just 3, and 3 5 is 15, 3 1 just 3, 1 4, 45. So now we will get 30 upon 45 and 36 upon 45. Okay, now you guys can check it out that three numbers we can find it out between them. Okay, so 31 upon 45, 32 upon 45 and 33 upon 45 are the three rational numbers between them. Okay, so this is the method. I hope so you guys understood that what you have to do, because, and this is the answer. First of all, what you have to check whether the denominators are equal or not. If the denominators are not equal, okay, so you can multiply the denominators. Okay, means 2 upon 3 first equation, okay, multiplied by the denominator of the second. Take the second equation, okay, or you can say the second rational numbers, and multiply it by the denominator of the first one. Okay, just by doing this, okay, the means the denominator will get equal. Okay, after that you guys can check it out whether between 10 and 12. Okay, between 10 and 12 we cannot find it out three rational numbers. Like this you will get some rational numbers. You guys can check it out that whether 4 or 5 or whichsoever rational numbers is asking from you, you can take out these rational numbers or not. Okay, if you can take out, means the gap is big, you can find it out the 3 or 4 or which whatsoever rational numbers has been asked from you, you guys can take out. Okay, otherwise what you have to do, you have to multiply by the numbers by which how many rational numbers has been asked from you. If they are asking find it out the 7 rational numbers between them, multiply the rational numbers by 7. If they are asking take out the 8 rational numbers, take out the 10 rational numbers, so you can multiply by 10. Okay, so you can easily find it out. Okay, and one thing you can do, that you can directly multiply once you will make the rational numbers, okay, and denominators are equal. You guys can directly multiply it by 10, okay, 20, 30, like this. Okay, don't multiply it by the numbers which is given to us. Okay, if you don't want to do that, directly multiply it by 10, multiply it by 20, multiply it by 30. Okay, so you will get the big gap between the numbers. Okay, I hope so you guys understood. Now operation on the rational numbers. Operation means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. We have to do it in the rational numbers. Okay, so first of all, how we have to do addition. The numbers which is given to us may be in the form of 7 upon 9 and minus 4 upon 5. Okay, it can be 4 upon 5 or it can be minus 4 upon 5. Okay, so what you have to do, first of all, take the LCM of 9 and 5. 9 and 5. 5 ones are 5, 9, 3 3s are 9 and 3 ones are 3. Okay, 5 3s are 15, 15 3s are 45. So the LCM is 45. Okay, now 9 5s are 45. You have to divide it by 9. Okay, divide the LCM by the denominator. You will get 9 5s are 45. Now multiply by it. 5 multiplied by the numerator. Means 5 multiplied by the numerator. Okay, means denominator will divide the LCM. Whatsoever answer you will get, you have to multiply it by the which numerator. Yes. Okay, so 5 multiplied by 7. Okay, add we have to do, we have to write it down. Add means plus sign. 5 nines are 45, we have to divide. 9 we will get, okay. Then multiplied by minus 4, okay. So 7 5 5 7 5s are 35, 7 5 is 35, 35 plus, if I will multiply 9 by minus 4, 4 9s are 36, and plus minus will become minus. So now we have to put the minus sign over here. Minus 36 upon 45, so it will become minus 1 upon 45 is the answer. Okay, I hope so you guys understood that how we have done it. Okay, you have to take the LCM first of all, okay, and you have to put plus sign, okay. You have to remove and put the plus sign over there, okay. And once you will open the bracket, it will change the sign, okay. So 7 upon 9 is given, and minus 4 upon which number is there, minus 4 upon 5 is there, okay. Now we have to do subtraction, means 5 9s are 45, again we will get 45, okay. Now we have to divide it. 5 multiplied by 7. Now it is asking to subtract, okay. The question is there, subtract these rational numbers, so means we have to put the subtraction, means the minus sign over here, okay. Then we will divide it, we will get 9 multiplied by minus 4. So once we will open the brackets, and 5 is 35. Now 4 9s are 36, minus minus plus means plus 36, okay, upon 45. Now we can add them, okay. So what we have to do, 6 plus 5 is 11, 3 plus 3 is 6, 71 upon 45, and this is the answer, okay. I hope so you guys understood that how we have done it. Now if the question is asking over here in addition and in subtraction, we have to find out the LCM first of all, okay. But in the multiplication and in division, we don't have to find out the LCM, okay. How? I'm explaining you. 7 upon 9 is given, multiplied by minus 4 upon 5, means we will remove and put the multiplication sign. What you have to do, okay, you have to multiply numerator by the numerator and denominator by the denominator. You have to multiply. 7 4s are 28, minus 28, and 5 9s are 45, okay. Means minus 28 upon 45 is the answer, okay. If you can put it in the standard form, okay, it is happening, you can do it, okay. Otherwise this is the answer, okay. Now if the question is asking divide, means 7 upon 9 is there, okay, divided by 4 upon 5, or we can say 5 upon 4 is here, okay. So we have to convert this division sign into multiplication, okay. But to convert this division sign, what we have to do, we have to, means the right hand side, the rational numbers which is in the right hand side, we have to do the reciprocal, okay, of that rational numbers, means we have to write it down. 7 upon 9 multiplied by 4 upon 5, okay. Means only you cannot change division into multiplication. If you are changing division into multiplication, the right side, the digits present at the right side, you have to do the reciprocal. Reciprocal means you have to interchange, means denominator will become numerator and the numerator will become denominator. Now 7 4s are 28, and 5 9s are 45. You guys can check it out that the answer is same. I haven't taken minus sign over here, that's why the minus 28 is not there, okay. I have taken the positive numbers. If the negative numbers are there, okay, no need to worry about that, just reciprocal the numbers, okay. So you will get the exact answer, okay. I hope so you guys understood that how we have to do the multiplication, how we have to do the division, okay. So and addition and in subtraction, we have to take the LCM first of all, then we have to do the further questions, okay. I hope so you guys understood that how we have done all the introduction part, okay. The introduction part is completed. I've explained you in the easiest manner possible, so please watch it out, okay, and try to understand, because if you understand over here the concept which I have told you, you can solve each and every question in by yourself, okay. You no need to watch any video, you don't need to take any help, okay. You guys can do it by yourself. I'll do the examples as well as the exercises. Try to do it by yourself, then okay, watch my videos and check it out whether you are doing right or wrong. Okay, so please students, work hard. Okay, understand each and everything. Please, while doing the questions, while watching the video, don't scroll or text to anybody.